everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to add event to your calendar on your website. This is super helpful if you want to share upcoming events like workshop, classes, concert, or event personal booking directly with your visitors. First, log into your Wix account and then click on Edit Site. On the left-hand menu, you will see the Apps icon labeled as Apps Only. Where shall you choose App Market? And then in the search bar, here you have to search for Wix Event and then click on this. And you just have to open it and you will see a calendar section appear on your page. This is where all your events will be displayed. Now, if you have to create a new event, just click on Add Event on the top right side and this will open a form page. So here basically you have to write your event name. For example, I'm writing photography workshop. So here I'm just writing photography workshop and then here you have to choose the categories and then you have to set the date and time. And the next step is to set the location, whether it's physical location, online, or to be decided. Now, you can also add description, write a short summary of what the event is about right here. You can upload an image or banner right here to make it more attractive. If your event requires tickets or registration, you can set up pricing and tickets type right here. Or you can choose whether guests needed to RSVP or if anyone can join freely. Once you're done with adding all the details, click on the Create Draft button on the top right side. Your draft message is something look like this, and if you are happy with all of this and if everything looks good, click on the Publish button and now the visitors will see your events right on your site. And that's it. You have successfully added events to a calendar on your Wix website. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.